At 34 years old, am I cringingly late in figuring out my life? Honestly, I've learned that there is no point in torturing ourselves to fit into society's so-called norms. Those shared standards of acceptable behavior dictated by a group. We as humans are constantly learning, and life is a journey without a definitive endpoint. Sure, we have goals we want to achieve, but those are merely stepping stones in an ever-evolving exploration. The idea of conforming to a single standard of acceptable behavior is absurd. It doesn't suit everyone and only adds unnecessary burdens. In my case, my journey into art feels neither late nor early, just right for me. Sometimes I wonder if a person can truly excel at something if they only discover their passion later in life. Since childhood, I have always had a deep love for drawing and all things art related. I also dabbled in traditional dancing and theater, but drawing was the activity I could lose myself in for hours. I remember a drawing and coloring competition in kindergarten where my sister waited for me, marveling at how I was so absorbed in my work that I barely lifted my head from the pad. I didn't even realize how much time had passed. I was simply enjoying the moment. As I grew older, though, I drifted away from art. Perhaps I got too caught up in fitting in during my teenage years, feeling different and unsure of my direction. I still drew, but far less frequently. In university, art became a way to escape. I would doodle during boring lectures or turn to my sketchbook when I felt down. It was a deeply personal outlet, almost like a sacred practice, known only to those closest to me. Then life took a difficult turn when I lost my job as a cabin crew in Dubai and experienced the loss of my parents. In that challenging time, I found myself seeking a new identity, something I felt I had been missing. I picked up my sketchbook and pencil again, inspired by a friend who had started painting and found joy in it. When I made my first brushstroke on a canvas, it was like reconnecting with a long-lost part of myself. From that moment on, I committed to learning more about art and improving my skills. It's been a journey into the unknown, and being a self-taught artist presents its challenges. Patience and a genuine love for art are essential. There have been plenty of setbacks and doubts along the way, but my focus on art keeps pushing me forward. For those accustomed to financial stability and mental stability, I think this path isn't a sure bet, so I urge careful consideration before diving in. A safety net is crucial unless you want to face the true struggles of an artist. As you know, I also creating content for YouTube, and this YouTube channel has been pretty helpful for my art journey. It keeps me accountable, ensuring I continually push myself and manage my time effectively. Some days I long to paint without the distraction of filming, but knowing this channel could have a significant impact on my future fuels my determination. It has become more than just a channel for me. It's a dedication to the world I love, and I hope it helps others feel less alone on their journeys. I've been MIA for a while from this channel because, as you can hear, I've been sick for a while, and honestly it is a bit weird. Like, it is kind of a virus. I think everyone are talking about it around Canggu, Bali. A lot of my friends got it as well, so yeah. I just needed a lot of rest, and also we had a kitchen renovation to be exact, and now it's finished, it's done, and maybe next time I can show you, of course. So yeah, so this is the painting. It took me a while to finish because I didn't plan it well at the beginning. Yeah, I cannot wait to make another one and post another video. Thank you very much for the support, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you again. Take care and thank you.